Welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the simple steps to activate Funimation on your Roku device and start streaming your favorite anime instantly. Welcome to our channel. If you've been looking for a way to enjoy Funimation on your Roku, you're in the right place. Activating Funimation on Roku is straightforward and can have you watching great content in minutes. First, make sure your Roku device is set up and connected to the internet. On your Roku home screen, navigate to Streaming Channels to open the Roku Channel Store. Use the search function to find Funimation by typing in the name. Once you locate the Funimation app, select Add Channel to install it on your device. After installation, return to the home screen and launch the Funimation app. You will be greeted with a prompt to sign in or start activating your account. On another device like your phone or computer, go to funimation.com/activate and enter the activation code displayed on your Roku screen. Make sure you are logged into your Funimation account or create one if you haven't yet. Submit the code and the account will link to your Roku device. Once activated, the Funimation app on Roku will refresh to show you the full suite of available shows and movies. From here, you can browse, select, and enjoy the latest anime hits and timeless classics. Remember, if you don't have a subscription, you can start with a free trial to explore all the content Funimation offers. If you ever want to deactivate or switch accounts, you can always manage devices from your Funimation account settings online.